of that airplane. I imagine it's going to be a little going down the Hey Stan, I'm doing good. How you doing?
Corsair, guys. Corsair. There he is.
Well, you're looking real good there, Stan. I'll tell you. Photo pass.
P-51 Mustang's about to start up, folks. And there is a P-51 Mustang in a red version about to take off.
The airplane was painted bright orange and was a specially modified target aircraft.
Oh, here he
It
comes.
was called the Pinball Machine. There was a light on it. If you scored correct and proper hits on
There's
the
a red
airplane,
P-51
guess what?
Mustang way
There was a light
down there.
that lit up and let you know.
He might be taking off right now.
I would not want to have been the pilot of that aircraft. No way, no how.
See if you can see him. Oh yeah, you can see him a little bit.
The dude's in the Wildcat too.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Here comes the Mustang, taking off.
Yeah.
Here he comes in the red. Oh yeah, my favorite airplane, right here, baby.
Here's John Correnti, the P-51.
Oh yeah, take off, take off, take off. There we go.
A long time ago, the RAF realized they needed more airplanes. And what they did was they contacted North American Aviation.
That noise is awesome.
Mm-hmm.
So what did the British do? They hung a Merlin
It's gonna get him
on the
going.
Mustang, and suddenly a legend
Here he
was
goes.
born. Initially,
He's backing
the
up
United
anyways.
States Army Air Force wasn't interested. They wanted a ground attack version. So North American designed the A-36,
Corsair,
powered
yeah.
with the
Is
Allison
he?
engine.
Sweet. Yeah, ready?
But
Mustang's
the
gonna
British
start.
wanted this airplane
Yeah, that guy in the
There he goes,
that
there he
Merlin
goes.
in it. But British engine production was already topped out. They couldn't build anymore.
goes
They
the
just
hell
didn't have the
Wildcat.
facilities. And that's where Packard stepped in. Yes, Packard, as in the motor car company, they were building a bunch of engines, including engines for PT boats, which were not Merlins.
There comes the other
Here's
Mustang.
John Carenti,
Oh my word.
P-51.
I can't even see if I can see him or not. Sorry about the sun, guys. Oh yeah, baby.
Corsair Wildcat.
He went right through the sun.
Yes, he did. I agree. I hear him.
All three of these should taxi right
There he is.
The Packard Motor Car Company stepped up and said, we can build those engines.
straight down. Wow, Corsair.
Yup, got him. Corsair coming, guys.
Manufactured engines. So they finagled one of those Packard
That's
engines,
so
took it
cool.
apart, and they were very pleasantly
Got the propellers hardly turning.
See, look, this one shows it too. So does the Mustang. Here comes the Mustang now.
Engine. They never doubted Packard ever again. Taxiing by.
Here comes the Mustang from this way. Two Mustangs coming towards us.
And the Corsair.
P-51. Oh yeah, P-51, baby. With the Corsair, Dad's favorite plane, my favorite plane, together today at the Reading Air Show.
Here's Mike Spalding coming by with the
Oh, look at him. Look at him
Wildcat,
coming down low.
Followed by, this is Ryan Parenti in Quit Your Bitchin'. That's John Carenti.
There's the other
goes
P-51
overhead.
right somewhere in there in
Bob
camera.
Hoover was being interviewed one time, and the interview